Oh my gosh, guys, I really messed up this time. Watch and see. I'm very excited for my colors. My colors are really exciting. The orthodontist. Okay, so we're on the way to the orthodontist. I'm gonna do red and green, red on top and blue and green on the bottom because it's Christmas, and so I'm gonna do Christmas colors for fun. And yeah. Actually, this year my mom told me that my uncle, he hung ornaments from his braces, so I want to do that and put my pictures side by side from him because I think it would be super funny. I'll meet you guys there. It's not fun when you have to get up earlier than you have to. Yeah. It's 8 o'clock. I had to get up at 6:45.
What? 6:45?
It's a wreck.
How do you manage life?
Let's just go.
Spring to be a millimeter short between upper left.
See? So that appointment didn't go so bad. They pulled a little bit. We got some red and green. I think you made a good choice with the red on top.
Next time, they are gonna take my braces off, then put them back on. What? There's no need for that.
You said they're repositioning them.
I don't need to reposition anything.
I think it's
How much
necessary.
time did you cry, Miss Savannah? A lot.
I think it's necessary to have them repositioned at this point.
Nothing is necessary. Okay, so we're going to school because I kind of have to go to school. I have a big test today, and so I have to make sure I'm on time. And that is pretty much it. You're probably like, how'd you mess up, Savannah? Well, here's the thing. I could have gotten a heads up on this, but no, I didn't, because why wouldn't I? See, you see these colors right here? You got red and green. Yeah, they're Christmas colors. And I didn't notice until, it took me like all day to figure this out. They didn't tell me that I wasn't getting my braces off until February. What? February, that's 2 whole months. And then I'll be like one of those people with their Christmas lights up. Oh no. Like constantly throughout the entire year. Huh? Like, oh my gosh, no, I cannot be one of those people. No. I'll just like do this when I smile. So guys, how you doing? Because I'll be ready for Valentine's Day. But no, it's so hard to cover it up. They couldn't give a girl a heads up. I mean, seriously, really? Until February? I'm gonna be one of those people. I do not need to be one of those people. Okay, all right, we're good. Let's get back to socks, because socks is our main thing here. It's all right, guys. I'll just act normal, and when it's Valentine's Day or past Christmas, I'll just smell like this. Because this is normal, right? I look so normal. Okay, let's get back to socks. Whew. Okay, wait. Before we get to there, I don't mean to like dwell or anything on this, but like, have you ever made a mistake on braces? I want to know what your biggest mistake on your braces was. Comment below. I'm really curious because that is a really big mistake because now I'm going to be one of those people. Yay, okay. Now we talked about all of my braces problems. Well, welcome to day 7. So this is day 7 of Vlogmas. And welcome savvy subscribers. And today, also known as the 7th day of Vlogmas and that's what it's called, 12 Days of Christmas. The 7th day of 12 Days of Christmas. I was trying to figure that out in my head. Alright, so first we start off with our trivia question, which was, what was the first short film released starring Mickey Mouse? The answer was Steamboat Willie! Congratulations to this person down the link in the description below and also right here. Congratulations. You did really good. You answered Steamboat Willie and got it correct. So yes, that was his first thing. We just got socks, and the Steamboat Willie is actually like, I think that's the like, you know when you go to the movies and you see a preview and it's like Disney, because they like sponsored it or whatever, like paid for all the stuff, and you'll see like do and he's whistling and he's driving a boat. That, I think it's Steamboat Willie, right? Or where he's seen, I guess. You know what, move on. Whatever. All right, the one that is, oh, okay, this is a good one. So day 7 is, when is Mickey's official birthday? You guys should know this. I mean, come on. When's Mickey's official birthday? Comment below the answer, what you think the answer is, and I'll pick one lucky winner to give a shout out to. When is Mickey's official birthday? Huh. Oh, well that's really specific. You have to be super specific. Month, day, year. Don't forget all of it. Okay. Oh, we have to open the socks. I forgot about that part. So today is day 7. Oh, we got little like Mickey Mouse. Like, we got a little farmer. He's like a little farmer. Yeah. All right. Day 7, guys. Gotta get it open. Oh my god. I still can't believe I have braces on like this. Really? Ooh, okay. Okay. Not bad, not bad. These are like candy cane or striped black with Mickey Mouse in the center. He's like the star of these socks today. He's the star, he's right in the center. So it's just the normal socks. I mean, if I want to wear normal socks, is good. Yeah. Okay. What is wrong with this? I'm missing 3 now. Well, just put that back on there. All right, next one my true love gave to me. Let's see. Santa's transportation of choice is a sled. Who knew? Wow. Best one ever. Number 11. Number 11 is a stocking. Kind of like the stockings behind me. Whoa, wait. Where did I even get the number 11 from? Wait. No. Okay, weird. I don't know where I got the number 11 from. Oh, wait, did I open the right one? Yeah, okay, making sure. Number 7, Isabel. We're not at number 11. Don't mind me. I got it open. Okay, ooh, okay. All right, I see it, I see you. These are cats, I am pretty sure. Yeah. Those are pretty ugly cats, not gonna lie. Oh, Jessie! I have some socks for you! Yes. So, if you love this ugly cat, she has a cat. I love her cat. Her cat is awesome. This is a pretty ugly cat with a pretty ugly background. I'm not gonna lie, these are not very good socks. So, Jessie, congratulations, you actually do get a pair of socks this time. Who knew? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'll take them to school tomorrow so I can give them to her. Good job, Jessie. Those are for you. Last but not least is our stockings behind us. There's a nail polish each day, and today we're on number 7, not 11. I don't know why I got 11 or where I got 11 from. I can't get it out of there. Oh, look at this color. It's like a purplish grayish, but like more gray, but it's really pretty. These are all really pretty colors. Whoever picked these out are like awesome. They picked out the best color. So this is the color. Sorry, I'm really shaky. I don't know what's wrong with me, but this is the color. That's the color. All right, I think that's it, guys. I have my dramatic story. Dramatic, very dramatic story. It's a tragedy. That's okay, though. Jessie, you have new socks, and this is the color. Okay, oh, and my new elf hat. I love this thing. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and this is how I'm gonna end the video. Oh yeah, comment below. When is Mickey Mouse's official birthday? Official one, not half birthday, not any other birthday, his official birthday. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and give us a thumbs up, up, up. Up, not down. No, not down, up. That's it, guys. Peace out, purple out. Do you think these Christmas colors are gonna be weird? Like, I don't know.